Welcome to online digital marketing training. In this video, I'm going to explain about the basics of SEO, search engine optimization. We spent very good time with the designing. You made a website, a beautiful website you made. But when people are searching, because people can't come to this website directly, they don't know about the website. They search on Google. Okay, like just here, I made a website, very simple website I made, karnoolcaps.com. This is a caps related website I made for Kurnool people. It's a place. Now, Kurnool people, they don't know that there is a website called karnoolcaps.com. Then how do they land on my website? Actually, this city is second city. They don't have Ola, Uber. That's why they still book cabs on this. So how do they land on my website? They search on Google like cabs in Kurnool. So Lubna, you tell me, when you search a keyword, you will get result. Which one you will click?
The ads.
You click on the ads.
Why not?
And apart from the ads, which link you will click?
Organic. The ones on the top.
The ones on the top. So see, already our website is on a first position. I assume that it's not in the first, it's not even in the top 10 results. Will you go to second page?
No.
Never go to second page. I assume there are few people in the world, they'll go to second page also. Okay, but your website is not even in a second page. Assume that your website is in the 8th page. Does anybody come to your website? No, right?
No.
So at that time, how to make your website from this position to the top 10 positions is called SEO, search engine optimization. In this case, if you see here, I put my website in a first position. Okay, before you understand this, that is SEO. Before you understand this, so before you understand SEO, we should understand search engine. Then we'll move on this. Can you tell me search engines which you know?
Google.
Google, next.
Bing.
Bing, Yahoo. You know AOL,
Yeah.
Amazon. You know DuckDuckGo.
No.
This is also one search engine. Do you know Baidu?
Yeah.
Yandex. Baidu
No.
is Chinese search engine. They use this only. They don't use Google. Yandex is Russian search engine. In such a way, everyone have developed search engines. But
What about DuckDuckGo?
DuckDuckGo is one American search engine anyway. That is also search engine. You try it. You should try always new. So it's a search engine. DuckDuckGo.com. So you can search. I'm searching ODMC. Let's see what happens. See, it is indexed my website. If you click, it will go. So DuckDuckGo is one search engine. Try to use this. But this many people have designed, they developed search engines, but Google is the most used search engine. 95% of the world use it. This Bing and Yahoo is the second most used. In USA, people use Bing anyway. But Bing CEO have announced that in the next 20 years also I can't beat Google, because Google is vast. So we don't have to learn all these things then. Learn about Google already. When you open Google and you search something, this is called keyword. Okay? Whatever you search, that is called keyword. These keywords are two types. This is called long tail keyword because it's more than 2 words. If you simply type digital marketing, it's called a short tail keyword. It's very hard to, to come on top for the short tail keywords. But generally, if they want to join a digital marketing training institute, they type the best digital marketing institute in Hyderabad, plumbers in Hyderabad, best electricians near me. These are all long tail keywords. So all service oriented keywords, they go for a long tail. If they want to shop, then they type shoes, laptops. They will not type shoes in Hyderabad, correct? Jeans pants in Bangalore. They will not type this. So for the shopping related, it will be short tail keywords. All service related, it will be a long tail keywords. And when you search, you'll be getting a results. Google is a search engine. When you search a keyword here, you got a results page. That's why it's called SERP.
Search engine results page.
Results page. How do you know this?
I saw it in one of your videos in the past.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Search engine results page. If you see the SERP layouts, 1, 2, 3, 4, top 4 are ads. These are ads. They're paying money.
Yeah.
And bottom 3 are ads. Total 7 ads. And between, organic results will be there.
Yeah.
So top 4 ads, bottom 3 ads, and here between 10 organic results.
Why the ads are at bottom of the page?
People browse down also. People click there also. Anyway, beauty of this Google Ads is, even though it's bottom, if they no one click on this ad, they will not pay money, right? They're paying for clicks, cost per click. So whether they're coming top or bottom, it doesn't matter anyway. People click, then only they pay money to Google. So top 4 ads. It doesn't mean that every time 4 ads will be there. Sometimes 3 ads, sometimes 2 ads, sometimes no ads. Depends on the competitors. But maximum 4 plus 3, 7 ads will be there. And between this, 10 are called organic results. These are called SEO results. Now let me define SEO. Search engine optimization is a technique of making your websites on what? On top of SERP. So it on top of SERP for what? For a keyword entered by a user. Because you are paying for the keyword anyway. Now you just see here, cabs in Kurnool, I'm coming in a first position. Let me search taxi in Kurnool. For taxi in Kurnool, here also I'm coming in the first position. Let me search car rentals in Kurnool.
But there's an ad also on top.
Yeah, these are ads anyway. That is not mine anyway. Fifth one. So what I'm trying to say is, you might not be top for every keyword. You have to optimize for that keyword also. Then I'll be working on this keyword also to make it on top. Google think that for the particular keyword, you are ranking 5th. You're the 5th most relevant website to the particular keyword. Whereas these first and second keywords, you are the first most relevant content you have for the particular keyword. So it's a technique of making a website on top of SERP for a keyword entered by the user. What are these techniques? How are you making on top during the course you're going to learn? Okay, right. This is SEO, but before you do that, you should also understand how a search engine works. Let's see what I'm doing. I'm searching MS Dhoni. You know MS Dhoni?
Yeah, he's an Indian cricketer.
MS Dhoni, when I searched, if you see here, 3,69 lakhs results, we got it. Means Google have this many results. And Google showed this result in 0.84 seconds. Less than a second, it gave the information. Now,
Yeah.
searching for another keyword called shoes. 672 crore results are there, and Google took 0.96 seconds to retrieve the information. And even though this much of vast information, accurately it gave. They gave about shoes only, they didn't give about laptops. And when I'm search about laptop, 219 crores results are there. Google retrieved it in 0.62 seconds and accurately talking about laptops only. My question is, what do you think? How Google might be working very fast and accurate? What do you think?
Crawler and indexer.
What do you know about crawler? And what do you know
I
about
would like
indexer?
I would like to listen about it more from you.
You watch my videos in answering? Tell me with your logic.
I don't know what's a crawler. It basically enters, it basically crawler collects all the information, indexing, they just put it in order.
You're a liar. You watch my videos. That's what you're telling.
Yeah, but you just told me that you can answer with logic, right? So with my information I saw in the past and with the logic applied, I answered it.
Okay. Because maybe people watching this video, right? Let me make it clear anyway.
Yeah.
I think maybe that example I'm giving, that also you might have watched, correct? The
No.
dictionary example. Have you watched?
Actually, I don't remember exactly the entire of it, but yes, because this is a subject that's of interest to me, so I kind of remember certain things because it was a new subject.
Okay. So assume that you're working for my institute as a receptionist and you don't have any gadgets, laptops, only record is there. And every day, 1 lakh students are joining the course. 30 days, 30 lakh students have joined the course. Suddenly, I came one day, I asked to bring out the phone number of one guy, Pawan. So 30 lakhs data is stored in one record anyway, in a zigzag way, and I asked one person contact number. How much time you will take to retrieve this?
Yeah, it'll take time.
It will take time. Okay. Same dictionary I gave you, dictionary also consists of 30 lakhs words. And I asked you to check the meaning of kites, K-I-T-A. How much time will take?
A minute?
Less than a minute. Is it your greatness?
No.
Whose greatness is that?
The dictionary is indexed in such a way,
Then why didn't you do that?
alphabetically.
Why you didn't do your record in a institute? So dictionary success is, it's not about how fast you retrieve, it's all about how they store the information. Whereas when you're working as a receptionist, while you're staring at 30 lakhs data, you fail to store properly. So success will depend on how properly you store the data. Like the better thing should be, should maintain 26 records. If someone with the name R comes, put it in the R record only. So, and in the R record also with alphabetical order like RA, RB, RC. So if anyone asks to check the meaning of Pavan, directly I'll pick the P record. Means I'm saving my 25 records of time. So storing the data is very important. Google is very good at that. So this many results are there. It took only 0.62 seconds. So they store the data properly. Before they store the data, first of all, they have information. See, I'm searching MS Dhoni, Google have MS Dhoni information, shoes information, and laptop information. If we talk about Indian politics, it have. Pakistan politics, it have. Some celebrity died today, you search it, it will come. Have you faced any situation you searched on Google and Google say, I don't know? No, right?
Mm. I'm thinking about it. When did I get that option of no results displayed?
Maybe you are
Maybe.
sleeping while you're searching. Because if you type properly, Google have everything. Google knows everything. means someone from Google collecting information every second. So this process is called crawling. After crawling, crawling is nothing but collecting data. A human can't do this. This is done by software. It's a software called crawler, spider, or Googlebot. This is the software name, Googlebot. So this software runs thousands of times in a day. It will come to your website, everybody website, and collect the data. Once it is collect the data, it will do indexing. Indexing means stored data as per the categories. So, for example, how it is stored, there are a number of categories. It might not work as I'm showing, but for your interpretation, I'm showing. They have categories like movies, technology, fashion, travel, health, political, blah, 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 and number of categories there.
Categories and subcategories, whatever. All right.
Sports. Now, assume that Lubna made a blog on MS Dhoni. Now, crawler will store data under where?
Under sports?
Yes, because it comes under sports. But if it store the data under sports, it's same like storing your data in one record rather than 26 record. That's why it divide them into again indoor sports and outdoor sports. Cricket comes under outdoor.
Outdoor.
Again, outdoor also not only cricket, we have football, we have volleyball, we have
But now
hockey.
you have even indoor sports. Even cricket is an indoor sport in Dubai.
Really, I don't know. I never
Yeah.
know that Dubai people will play cricket.
Because the sun is so hot outside and so scorching heat that they have created areas and there are provisions for such sports to be practiced indoors.
Really, don't
Not
play
at
cricket.
a scale, not at a scale of the outdoor stadiums, but they do have arenas indoor where they can play such sports.
Oh, really? Okay. But here, rest of the world, they play outdoor only. Only for Dubai, it's indoor anyway. Now, see, outdoor cricket. So, Dhoni information will be stored under cricket. Okay, under cricket means we have many countries. We have South Africa, we have Pakistan, we have India. Now, Dhoni comes under India. Again,
Rivals
India,
of Pakistan.
sorry?
Rivals of Pakistan in the game.
Correct, correct. And we always won the game.
Yeah.
Majority, 90%.
Yeah. No, no, let's make it 100%.
You know anything about cricket first?
Yeah.
Okay.
MS Dhoni.
So I understood that you don't know anything about cricket. Now see here. So first of all, it categorizes in such a sports into indoor and outdoor. Again, cricket is under outdoor. Again, under cricket, we have many countries. Again, under India, Dhoni here it will store the information. So assume that there are three people written a blog. Their blog will be stored like this. This much of customization, categories will be there. If someone searching about Dhoni, if you go to sports, outdoor, cricket, India, Dhoni, here. Now they collect the information, they store it to the user. You see, there is a time, right, when you're typing 0.62 seconds, 0.84 seconds. See here, 3 crore results, 0.84 seconds. Here, 219 crores, more results, but less time. So it's not about how many results you have, it's all about how many layers you have. Like sports, outdoor, cricket, India, Sachin, like this. Okay, this is my interpretation. Maybe their algorithm will be different, but almost it will be same. Done. Indexing is done. Third is calculating relevancy. Means ranking factors. Now assume that under Dhoni, 3 people have written a blog. Throughout the world, assume that only 3 people have written a blog. Now, you tell me who should come on top? Whether the first guy, second guy, or the last written guy? Who should come on top?
Whoever is more relevant.
Yeah, that's what ranking factors. Google check, first of all, whether it is a duplicate content or original content. Second is customer searching MS Dhoni, whether the keyword is available on these people website or not, the post, how many times they repeated, where they repeated, whether they're maintaining synonyms or not. In such a way, more than 200 factors Google will check, and it's give you the most relevant content will be giving the rank 1, 2, 3. In this case, when we searched caps in Karnool, Google thought that for the particular keyword, mine is the most relevant content my website have. That's why it put me on top. That's it. The fourth option is retrieving results. Means displays results in SERP. What are the results are there? That directly it will show on a SERP. This is how a search engine works. First, it will collect the data. After collecting, they store data as per the categories. Now, calculating relevancy, if under particular category many people have written content, who should come on top, Google will decide. Finally, displays results in SERP. Now you tell me, I wrote a blog on Shah Rukh Khan. Under which category it will go?
Movies.
Movies. Will they directly store under movies or else they divide?
Hollywood, Bollywood,
Bollywood,
Nollywood,
yes,
Tollywood.
correct. That. Like, do you read newspaper?
Yeah.
Will you read each and every line?
No.
What do you read then?
Mostly the headline, the subheader. Here and there, I'll pick up the keywords, the
Okay.
conclusion, and the beginning.
Do you think that the same crawler will come to your page? Do you think it will read all the lines? If you write 1,000 lines, will it read 1,000 lines?
I don't know.
So crawler also programmed in such a way that it will not read 1,000 lines. So it will read some important places. It's programmed in such a way. So what are those important places crawler will read? This is the important places. Title, description, H1 to H4 headings, links, file name, first line of the para, bold and italics, and image alts. Where are these places? I'll be showing in the next class, but as of now, remember that even though
What
if you
is
write,
image alt?
yeah, I'll be teaching tomorrow. Every image should have alternate text. That I'll show you tomorrow. Every page, maybe page might have 1,000 lines, but crawler will not read 1,000 lines, but crawler will definitely read these places. So be smart then. Instead of focusing on all the 1,000 lines, put your efforts on these important places. Chalo.
Can crawler read an image?
Crawler will not read image. That's the reason we'll give alternate text.
All right.
Now, in this important places, you wrote a text like MS Dhoni is a very good cricketer. Now, crawler is a machine. Okay. When you write something in the important places also, it will not understand the sentence. It doesn't know who is Dhoni, what is cricket. Okay. So then what Google will do, apart from helping verbs and adjectives, many remaining new words will be there. Right? Dhoni, cricket player. These words it will take and it will do indexing. So what I'm trying to say is your 1,000 lines are not important. These important places only important. And in these important places also complete sentence is not important. That keyword only very important. So focus on the keyword. Then how do I get the keyword? There are some keyword research techniques. That is brainstorming, Google Suggest, Keyword Planner, Uber Suggest. So these are keyword research techniques. I'll show you how to do this. So before you write a blog, a content in any page, first regarding that topic, do a proper keyword research. After doing a keyword research, take the keywords and put it them in the important places and try to come on top. This is what SEO. Everything is here only. Okay. First, try to understand how search engine works, what are the important places, how to do keyword research, collect them, put it on important places, and try to come on top. So how to do that? We're going to learn. Any questions in this?
No.
Right. Now, I'm going to select one topic. I'm going to do a keyword research right now. Like, you want to book a resort in Hyderabad. Okay. If you want to go to the resort in Hyderabad, what you will search on Google? I will be searching like resorts in Hyderabad. What do you search?
Vacation, holiday, staycation, all kinds of.
Okay. So I'm telling that some people type resorts in Hyderabad. Some people type best resorts in Hyderabad. Okay. Some people type top resorts in Hyderabad because different people have a different mentality. Some people think.
Okay, you mean only relevant to resort?
Yeah.
All right. Sorry. Yeah. Okay.
Best resorts in Hyderabad, top resorts in Hyderabad. Some people type maybe cheap resorts in Hyderabad. And if they know good English, they say budget resorts in Hyderabad. Some people type luxury resorts in Hyderabad. Some people type resorts in Hyderabad near me. These are one kind of people. And some other kind of people they search like resorts in Hyderabad with means amenities, with gym, with water games, with pool. They'll search with spa. Now, another kind of people search like resorts in Hyderabad for whom? For team outing, for family, for couple. These kind of keyword you search. So this is what my guess is this is because generally people search. This is called brainstorming. Brainstorming means you have to predict first of all what you will search, what your friend might be search, what a common man will be searching. Think about it and collect the keywords. Now Google suggest. Now go to Google, type the same keywords, resorts in Hyderabad. Can you see? You are getting suggestions. These are called Google suggest. When thousands of people have searched that keyword, Google will remember them and it will give you as a suggestion. So these are called Google suggest keywords. These are very powerful because people are typing the same thing. Now take them, put it over here. Apart from these keywords, put it over here. See here, with entry fees, we didn't mention. List, we didn't mention. Price, we didn't mention. Stay, we didn't mention. Photo shoot, we didn't mention. Day outing with price, we didn't mention. Offers, we didn't mention. Put them anyway. Now, like you just put best resorts. See, different keywords came. When you type top keywords, resorts, top 10, top 5 came. When you type cheap, those also came anyway.
So we have to collect all of these and put it down.
Yes, collect the keywords. You don't believe actually, when you're working for the big companies, you got the project, people spend 3 days, means 8 into 3, 24 hours they spend on keyword research only, because once you got the keyword, that you got to utilize in the content anyway. That's why keyword research is the most important thing in SEO. You need a lot of patience, but the patience will definitely pay it off. Now, research in Hyderabad for, see, getting it. Can you see this? For couple photo shoot, for married couple, for unmarried couple also there. Right. And when you search with the things, now collect all the keywords. This is called Google Suggest. Next thing is Keyword Planner. Keyword Planner is a tool provided by Google anyway. You'll be learning this in Google Ads actually. But I'm going to show you how this works. Showing cancel. New Google Ads accounts. Oh. Okay, let us postpone this anyway. If you already, people who watching the video, you already know Google Ads, just go to the tool anyway, because it takes some time anyway. That's why I don't want to waste. Go to Keyword Planner and put the keyword, it give you complete volume. That is one technique. Next is Uber Suggest. Because at this point of time, we haven't learned Google Ads. That's why I'm not going. Uber Suggest is a third-party tool developed by Neil Patel. And come back here, put the keyword, search it. Now complete keywords analysis will be coming over here. See, search volume what, and what are the keywords, and what is the volume, how many people are searching the keyword, everything you'll be getting. Click view all keyword ideas, download, and put it over here. Now you are keyword rich. You did a keywords with the brainstorming, Google Suggest, Keyword Planner, Uber Suggest. Take all the keywords and put it on the important places. Okay.
You mean use it in the content?
In the content.
All right.
Now I'm giving you a task, Lubna, for you. At the same time, people who watching the video also, you also do this thing, and so that you'll be learning how to do it anyway. If you want to check, send it to our email address so that our team will check that. So your task is, if you're running a digital marketing training institute in Hyderabad, so digital marketing training in Hyderabad, I need keyword research for this keyword anyway. What people will search? Bring out keywords from brainstorming, Google Suggest, and Uber Suggest. Minimum 30 keywords you have to show. Okay?
All right.
Right. Now, before you write a blog, one step is done. Now I have to place the keywords in important places.
But using those keywords, we create content, or the content is created before and we adjust the content?
That's what I'm saying. If you take the keywords, directly push in the content, it's not good, right? It's not good. So again, SEO is characterized as two techniques, like white hat technique and black hat technique.
Yeah.
Okay. White hat technique means not doing black hat technique. So you should know what is black hat technique then. Black hat technique means Google always says that don't try to flirt me. Concentrate on the content. Try to satisfy the user. I'll make you on top. But these people, they never try to impress a user. They always try to impress a Google. And Google don't like this. So before you want to learn the techniques, how to write a content, you should know what you should not do it. Let me show one from here. Right. Ashin, there are two users. Ashin, that there is one guy. He's very good at content writing. He can write poetic content. And when a user come to his page, you feel very happy. As per the user, satisfied. But because he haven't used any keywords, Google will not be happy. Google will never make him on top. Next, one more kind of guy. In this content, what he did is he put only keywords. There is no content, only keywords. When Google visited his website, Google feel very happy because Google want keywords, is maintaining a keywords. Google will put him always on top. But when user searching the particular keyword, he landed on the website. He was looking for Dhoni information, but only Dhoni was there. Will user like it?
No.
No, right? So here Google is happy, user is not happy. So SEO is nothing but you have to write content in such a way that both people will be happy. Okay. Sometimes people call this as a gray hat also. Both you combining anyway. Right.
So how to learn more about black hat and white hat?
I'm teaching that now.
Okay.
Let's take an example. One guy, to come on top, what he did is completely used Dhoni n number of times, and crawler came to the website because crawler is a machine. It doesn't know whether he's doing black hat or not. Then he put on top. But when user is coming here, user is not happy because the content is not there. Now this guy started thinking that I'm able to satisfy Google, but user is not happy. I have to do something. Then what he did, he divided the page into two sections. In the section 1, he repeated the keywords. Why he's repeating the keywords?
For the Google, to satisfy Google.
Second, he wrote very good content because when user comes, user should see this, right? That's why he wrote a good content. When crawler visits his website, because the keywords are there, right? Obviously, he'll be on top only. But, and for the user will see this content. But before they see the content, these keywords will be there. Again, it's a disturbance. That's the reason what he will do. What is the background color here?
White.
And what is the text color of these keywords?
Black.
When I make this text color as white, what happens? Disappear?
Yeah.
Only these keywords he'll make white color. So user can't see this, but search engine will see them anyway. When search engine come here, there are the keywords, he'll come on top. But when user come here, they start seeing from here. So both is satisfied. This is black hat. Now they enjoy traffic.
This is very good.
This is very good. But Google, after a few days, Google understood that people trying to cheat me. Then Google started punishing these people. No changing font colors according to the background. If you do that, they'll punish you. Punish means they will not delete the website. Instead of coming in a top 10, they'll push you somewhere in the 8th page. That is the punishment you'll be getting. Now they understood. It's same like here if traffic police is there, we know how to escape from the traffic police. Now these people also know how to escape from the Google. Now they come up with another idea. So if I change the colors, you're catching me, right? What he did is he selected 2 pages. 1 page, complete keywords. 1 page, complete content. If I submit this page, what happens to the Google?
User is satisfied.
But Google will not. If I submit this,
Google is satisfied.
But user is not satisfied. I will be submitting this only. When I submit this to the Google, Google make me on top. And when user clicks here, they come back here. But he feel bad. That's the reason what he'll do here. Here one rewrite code, he'll push it. Whenever customer click on the Google, come back here, because of this rewrite code, it will go back to this page. Now customer,
you mean redirect?
Redirection, yeah. So redirection code. Now customer will go to this page. Now customer is happy. Google is happy, the keywords are there, user is very happy because the content is there. This is also black hat technique. And these pages are called doorway pages, and the process is called cloaking. Now, initially they enjoyed it, but now if you do so, Google will punish you. You should not do cloaking also. Next, see, assume that my website have a very good content. I'm talking about uh, Spain tourism, and you assume that you're talking about something Australian tourism, but you wrote some blog about Spain, but you're not focusing on that. At the time, what you do, if you want more about Spain tourism, visit Subhash Mangalam website. I never asked you, you only gave. This is what Google says. Don't ask anybody backlink. This is called backlinks.
I didn't understand that.
See, I have some content related to Spain tourism. I'm writing. You are a
Yeah.
separate blogger. You're talking about Australian tourism. Okay. And sometime you have to talk about Spain tourism. And your readers want to know about it anyway. Then you says that instead of you writing about Spain tourism, because you don't have a knowledge, if you want more about Spain tourism, visit Subhash Mangalam website. You give link back to
Okay.
this guy.
Yeah.
So for me, it is a backlink from you. It's kind of a reference, right? I'm getting
Yeah.
more reference means it's good for me. More backlinks will come to my website. My rankings will improve. In this case, I never asked you backlink, but you liked my content. That's why you link back to me. So Google says the same thing. Don't request a backlink. Write very good content. Automatically links will come. But what some people do it, they don't have a good content, but they buy links from other website.
They buy.
They buy links. They give money. They buy links. That too from a spammy website. The other website also it's not good. Some people have adult content, a different irrelevant content. Still, they get a backlink because they know that more backlinks are there, my rankings will improve.
So what kind of websites sell these backlinks? Like, do they even sell their content?
No, they sell backlink. In the next classes, you'll understand that anyway clearly. But as of now, remember that don't get backlink from a spammy website. Don't try any technique. Leave it at. Maintain good content, automatically links back. Don't do this. First of
What
all,
about duplicate content?
yeah, I'm coming back to that. First of all, this is called keyword stuffing. Repeating the keyword number of times also wrong. You should not do it. Google will punish you. Font colors change. You should not do it. Cloaking, you should not do it. Spammy backlinks, you should not do it. Duplicate content. Copying content from other website. That's not correct. You should not do it. Yes, some students misunderstood this. That's the reason I'm showing, even though it's silly. Some people says that, sir, I don't copy this directly, push it on my website. I'll copy it, and after that I'll put it in a notepad. From here I copy to my website. Is it copy or not? Still it's a copy, right?
Yeah.
Still it's a copy. Next, other students ask question. Oh, it's gone. Right.
But what if it is copied? Why is it a problem if the content is copied?
I'll tell you. Next thing, some people says that I don't copy it. By seeing this, I'll type directly on my website. That is also copy.
It is detected by plagiarism, right? Tool?
Why? Because Google want fresh content to the people. Many people are copying from one source, then duplicate content is spreading across the people. That's bad. They have a wrong feeling on Google that you're giving a duplicate content to me. So Google have very good plagiarism checkers. If you copy some content from them, from where you copied, how many words you copied, Google knows that one. That's why never ever copy the content. Next thing is, now see my website is ODMT. Okay.
Yeah.
And for the online digital marketing training, I took the domain name like ODMT. Some people take domain name like best digital marketing training in Hyderabad.com. Because keywords plays very important role. If you placing a keyword in a title, description, everything is important. They think that why don't we take a keyword in a domain name itself? Having a keyword in domain name is crazy idea. Always will come on top, and they enjoy the top position. Now, after a few days, Google understood this. These people are doing black hat techniques. Then, if anybody take a keyword in a domain name, Google will punish you. One word, digital marketing, okay. But digital marketing Hyderabad.com, it's not correct. So exactly matching domain, if you take, Google will punish you. These are all black hat techniques. We should not do it. Okay.
Okay. So basically the black hat techniques, what I understood are 6. First one is keyword stuffing, changing font colors matching to the background, doorway pages cloaking, duplicating content, and using keyword in domain.
And spammy backlinks.
Spammy backlinks, yes.
Okay, close your book. Let me ask questions.
All right.
Okay. Now, what is SERP?
Search engine results page.
What is the layout of SERP?
Ads, organic results, ads.
How many ads?
3 or 4.
Top 4 ads, bottom 3 ads,
3 ads.
and here 10 organic results.
Organic results.
Okay. Can you define
Is
SEO?
it 10 always? Is it 10 always?
Yeah, almost 10 anyway, but these days because of some other things sometimes coming down, but generally it's 10 results, not more than 10 results.
All right.
Can you give a definition of SEO? Search engine optimization is a
SEO is a technique of making your website on the top of SERP for a keyword entered by a user.
Congratulations, you read very well.
Thank you.
That's why I asked you to close the book. Right. So search engine optimization is a technique of making your websites on top of SERP for what? For a keyword entered by the user. See, definition students don't have to by heart it anyway, but important thing is technique, top of SERP, keyword. If you remember, that's enough. That's why terminology is very important anyway. So what are the techniques you're going to learn? But before you know the SEO, you should understand how a search. Close the book and try to tell. No problem. Make mistakes, then only learn.
Okay.
How search engine works? What do you think? First, what it will do?
First, it will collect information.
Crawling. Second.
Yeah. Indexing.
Third. Calculating. Relevancy. Fourth
and then ranking.
Retrieving results. Crawling means what?
Crawling, collecting data.
Collecting data. Who will do this?
Crawler.
There is a software called Crawler or Spider or Googlebot. This will come to each and every website. It collect the data. Once it collect the data, it will do indexing. Indexing means?
Storing data.
Store data as per the categories. I show you right how the categories works.
Yeah.
Third is calculating relevancy, means ranking
factors.
Ranking factors means if 3 people have written a blog, who should come on top? Google will decide. Like whether it is duplicate content or original content, how many times he repeated the keyword, where he has repeated the keyword, whether he has used the synonym or not.
So you are saying the more the keywords, the more the top on the rank?
But many are there anyway. That's not the reason anyway. There are many are there. Tomorrow you'll understand.
Okay.
Retrieving results means displaying
on
results
the SERP.
On SERP. Right. Now, do you think crawler will read each and every line?
No.
What it will read then? What places, important places, crawler will go for?
Headings.
Title. Description.
Heading 1 to 4.
Headings.
Bolded, italics, links, file names. Image, alt, and first line of paragraph.
Did I miss anything?
Image alt.
File name I missed, I think.
No file name is there.
Yeah, then what I missed?
I don't.
Done. 8 parameters. So crawler might not read all the lines, but crawler will definitely read these places. What are these places you're going to learn? And in this place also, if you write Dhoni is a good cricket player, crawler will not understand. It will take only keywords. What are the keyword research techniques we have?
Keyword research techniques. Yeah. It's
Brainstorming,
brainstorming, Google
Google
suggest,
suggest, keyword planner,
Uber suggest.
and Uber suggest. So SEO is nothing but first do keyword research, put it in the important places, try to come on top. How
So
to do?
basically, these keyword research has to be done before writing your content.
Yeah,
Okay.
true. But what happens when you do the keyword research directly, you can't push it anyway. If you do it again, it will become a black hat technique because I told you, right? You can't stuff the keywords. So before you do SEO, you should know what is white hat, what is black hat. Don't do keyword stuffing. Don't change the colors. Don't do cloaking. Don't get spammy backlinks, and don't take exact match domain. No duplicate.
But I would really like to know how to do this doorway pages.
Why it doesn't work? I'll show you how this works, and I'll show you anyway. But if you do this, Google will punish you. Google don't like redirections. Google hate them. I'll show you anyway.
Okay, all right.
Why always you go for website designing only? Again, that involves designing.
No, it's not that. It's just to understand how to do the wrong also,
That this is also
along with the
wrong.
correct one.
This is also wrong. This is also wrong. You didn't ask me. You're asking this because this they
Yeah,
involve
because I
design.
understand, because keyword stuffing, I can do content, so I can do keyword stuffing. I would know how to change font colors. I would definitely be able to buy a domain that's with the same keyword. I can duplicate by going to any website, copying the content, spamming backlinks. Yes, I can get permission from the websites to go back to those websites because I don't have content. The only thing I will not be able to do by myself is until I learn how to do the doorway pages.
So you want to apply black hat anyway.
Not a blab, but I should be well versed with that. We never know when we have to use it in case we have to use it.
All the best. Okay. So if you do black hat technique, how you get punished? Who will punish you? In order to punish you, there are some updates. Google updates are called. Google release some algorithms. Okay. There are many updates like Panda updates, Penguin updates, EMG updates, PGN updates, mobile friendly updates, top heavy updates, rank brain, Fred updates. In such way, many updates are there. Google every month it will release some new updates because Google wants to give fresh content to the user, and people who try to come on top by cheating Google hate it and they punish them. So everything is some kind of punishment on the websites anyway. Punishment means they will not remove the website, but they will degrade the rankings anyway. So tomorrow you have two tasks. One is you have to do keyword research for digital marketing training in Hyderabad. Second thing is you'll be explaining about the updates also.
What
Okay,
do you mean by updates?
these are all
What do I have
updates.
to
What
explain?
what is Panda update? What is the Panda
Yeah.
update? How Google punish it? Penguin updates.
So,
You
yeah,
have to
so how will
research
I explain? Okay.
and explain. After that, I'll be explaining again. And what are you explaining again? That will also be recorded. So be careful, prepare properly.
So, okay, assignment would be to do keywords
Guys,
for
people who
digital.
watching the video, take this as a proper course anyway. When you're taking my playlist anyway, same like this training, you also go ahead. What is the task I'm giving? Just try to finish it so that that will be benefit you because I'm providing this for free of cost. Try to utilize this. And anytime if you have any questions, put a comment so that our team will get back to you. If I have time, I'll get back to you. Other else, my team will get back to you and try to solve all the issues. If you have any problem in your website designing, SEO in the future, Google Ads also will be fixing your problem free of cost.
And please do not forget to keep your notes handy. So when your question is asked, you know when to answer and how to answer.
Yes, but don't see them anyway. Without seeing them.
All right.
Right, got it?
Yes.
Tomorrow class is very important and you should be ready to take more, because tomorrow class I'm going to show you, I'm going to pick a topic, I'm going to write content, and I'll be using these keywords in important places. Okay, and after that I'll be submitting my website to Google, and I'll show you where is my position immediately. Okay, from the next day your task is you should write a blog, submit to Google, show me the position. Assume that you got 80 position in the SERP. I'll teach you from 80 position to the top 10, that to the first position, how to bring it out. I'm going to teach you. Okay,
How long does it take?
tomorrow 2 hours.
No. I mean, in days, how long will it take from 80 to 1?
It depends on the competitors and how good your content. See, whenever you take up a client, assume that you got a client, digital marketing agents in Dubai or Riyadh anyway. Don't say that in a month I'll make your website on top. Minimum 6 months it will take anyway. Okay, depends on the kind of niche they selected anyway. But we should take minimum 6 months. Within 6 months, very good results. There are some patterns which you have to do. Keep on doing it. Automatically, rankings will increase.
And how frequently do you have to submit to Google?
Whenever you write a new blog, new page, new content, you keep and have to do it. Don't worry. This question again, I'll be answering tomorrow. That's the best question tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, all right.
So today we learned. I'm making point here. What is SERP? We learned, and after that, how a search engine works. We learned, and after that, what are important places? We learned. After that, keyword research techniques we learned, and after that we learned black hat techniques also. And tomorrow I'll be teaching you about Google updates. Right, now you understood how search engine works, right? I'll show one video so that you can match that with the animation. So how a search engine works, this is explained by Matt Kurtz. He works for Google team. He's no more working anyway, but he explains very well anyway. So I'll put it on mute and I'll show you, because you required animation only, not speech. Now first I said crawler. See, this is crawler, spider. It's coming to website. Everybody website's coming. It's crawling, means it is collecting data, because every website is connected. Now after collecting the data, they're storing in the categories, different categories. Now one person is searching for a keyword like MS Dhoni. Then this keyword, they check in the index. How many websites they have repeated the keyword? Okay. And how relevant is this? And how many number of times they repeated? Whether they use synonyms or not? Whether it is a quality website or not? Is it a duplicate content or fresh content? Everything they're watching. Whether they use the keywords in the title or description, where they have used, everything they watch. Based on that, they will be giving you ranks. Can you able to relate what I said in the video?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you can search and you can watch the video. You'll understand. That's all for today. And guys, if you have any questions on this, please put a comment over there so that we'll get back to you. And if you're looking for a training, again, you can send me an email, or else you can reply back in the comment. Visit our website, odmt.in, fill the form. And if it is a
please do not
company,
forget to like the videos.
thank you very much, Dubna. Have you subscribed to my channel?
Not yet.
Do it first.
Okay.
And If you are a company and you're looking for any of our services, please fill the form so that we'll be getting back to you. Okay. Vipna, thank you very much. Looking forward for tomorrow class.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
Bye bye.